joining again. How are you all? Let's meet and talk more about our favorite diamonds. Diamonds are our all-time favorite. And you know what? Diamonds are actually called as Shukra also because their ruler is the Venus, which is the Shukra. And the most significant day of diamonds can be worn every day well, but the most significant day of diamond is a Friday. And that's why today we've chosen to talk about diamonds. Diamonds do not need more introduction to any one of us. We are all well versed with the beauty and dazzle of diamonds. But there is more to the concept of diamond significance. Well, they don't only dazzle, they've got much more to them. Like some good qualities related to married life. They are very good for courage. They benefit the wearer by giving them courage. They are very beneficial in the married life. So happily married life. Hence, most of the times that we see that the ring is of diamond. An engagement or a wedding ring is often preferred to be of diamond. We have a whole new range of couple bands in diamonds. Platinum, gold, studded with diamonds. Big time we suggest to buy solitaires, as they do not only have got value money wise, but they are also, the value of the diamonds is increasing day by day. So they are moreover like an asset. So let's make the best out of them and make investments in diamond jewelry. Let me show you some beautiful pieces that I have of diamonds. I have all fancy shapes. This is the rounds. I shall pick it up and show you because I think you might not be able to see it through the glass. This is a round, a tiny one, not a big one. I have a solitaire piece, here. So the small pieces are called diamonds, but once the size of the diamond crosses say 20 carats, a 20 cent, it is called as pointers. So pointers 20, 25, 50 cents, they are all called solitaires, and they are widely accepted by the wearer, and they are sold with certificates, and they are an investment. So solitaires are an investment. This is a heart-shaped solitaire which is beautiful. All our pieces are certified. We have certificates for all these pieces. There are some like if you want to make something a stud, then it's preferred that you buy in pairs. This is again a fancy shape. What the ring that I am wearing is of fancy shape also. This is a Marquise shape. Marquise solitaire. Fancy shapes, the best thing about fancy shapes is that you can create better designs, and hence they are widely appreciated. This design is made from fancy shape. Marquise drop shape diamonds are there in this, and the design is created from fancy shapes. The other good thing about diamonds is it benefits the wearer by purifying and detoxifying the body system. It also helps to rebalance and rebuild your stamina. It helps you treat various ailments like vertigo, glaucoma, that is because it's very good for the eyes since it's ruled by Venus. It also benefits the brain. And many designs can be created when you combine them by different shapes. So Marquise, there is other shapes popularly liked by all. Besides the round is the marquise shaped, drop shaped. The princess is also loved. The new ones, the pizza shaped ones, they are called the pie cut diamonds. So even the pie cut is highly appreciated, but nothing of these can beat a solitaire. So solitaires are solitaires, but well, when you don't have a budget of a single round solitaire, fancy shapes can be used and make it look like a solitaire. Here is also a bridal set that I would love to show you. You can see the handcraft, it has been handcrafted totally, and see the flexibility. Have a closer look at the set. It has been sketched, handcrafted, and then designed and made it into a bridal set. The flexibility and you can see the karigari. It's totally handmade. Some rings that I would love to show you are here. This is a simple ring. So you could wear a diamond and benefit from the qualities of a diamond by getting a ring customized, either for regular wear. These rings can be for regular wear, or you could go for something very fancy. The spring rings are also lovely, since they give you that big look, you know. There are again fancy shapes put in the spring ring. Male rings are here. I have a male ring that I would love to show you. You can see the flexibility of the ring. So those are the diamonds, our very, very lovely, brilliant, dazzling diamonds. Besides the diamonds, we would talk today about hazonites. Hazonites are popularly called as Gomed or Rahu, and they are ruled by the north lunar nodes. So moon, that is the Luna, moon has north and south nodes. So Rahu is ruled by the north lunar nodes. So here I have some pieces to show you. They have beautiful color. The Rahu. Here you can, this is an oval piece. You can see the clarity of the piece. It's a very good quality Gomed. Gomed which is also called as a hazonite. They protect the wearer from negative vibes and energies, you know. It calms the mind of the wearer. It relieves him or her, that is the wearer, from anxiety, depression, any kind of mental problems that you have. Hazonite or Rahu helps you in that, and it benefits these ailments, that is the health related benefits are these. And besides that, I could tell you that Rahu is very much it would benefit who all? It could benefit people in the chemical factory business or the printing business, also media business. So people who are in the businesses wherein interacting with a lot of individuals is involved. So Rahu steps in there and it benefits those media, printing businesses and all kind of such businesses. So those are the benefits of Rahu. I really hope that you all have enjoyed today's session. We shall meet soon with some other interesting topic. So today we come to an end of our series of discussions of the Nograhas or the Navratnas. And I would again say that the Nograhas or the Navratna are also called, or they are actually the powerful magnets. The reason being, we as individuals, we all have our magnetic field around us. That is also called as aura. So we should be responsible for our aura, as our aura either attracts or it reflects back. So we try to maintain that aura by becoming magnets ourselves. So it is nothing that, you know, what you sow, so shall we reap, is all that we all know. So the gemstones, they all have the good qualities. How we can benefit from them is on us. Every gemstone is beneficial if health wise, and many other moods, and it benefits our lives. It can actually change lives. So how we make jewelry from them and do justice to the qualities of the Navaratnas is in our hands. What we do is we often design jewelry from the Navaratnas, and we have called that the Navaratna collection. I would be more than glad to present in one session the Navaratna collection to show you how we combine all the Navagras and we design collection. Back before, our forefathers and our fathers and all used to wear the Navagra rings, as we had discussed in one of the videos. So that time it was popularly and willingly worn because they believed in the benefits of all the Navagras. So what they did is they wore the Navaratnas in various design as rings or in pendants or any such thing. So we design jewelry from Navaratnas, and we make sure that the designing and is in such a way, and it gives a very modern effect. Moreover, it is widely appreciated by our clients. I will be coming live once with you, showing you the Navaratna collection. Till then, you take care, be safe, be secure, and have fun with your family. Bye bye.